All right, so looking at this plant, these two right here are male flowers. First off, if you look at the stem, you take a look at the stem here. The stems are straight. So once the stem is straight and it just links right to the flower head, that's how you can tell that that's the male. Here's another example of a male right here. So we have this flower right here, Siamese flower, and both of the stem bases are completely straight. And then when you look in the inside of it, the anatomy of the flower represents the anatomy of an actual human. So this is the portion that gets the pollen from right here, but you can look at the base right here and tell that this is a male. Now if it was a female, you'll actually see the fruit right here in this little area right here, and I'm gonna see if I can find a female that's ready. Now take a look at these two. Are these males or are these females? Are these male or are these females? Well, you can actually look in the inside and see, take a look at the anatomy, but you can also go below the flower and you can look at the stem, okay? And so since this stem is straight, there's no fruit right here, that means this is a male. You can take a look at this one. This one is gonna flower shortly as well, but then look at this stem. This stem is straight as well. That's the male. So let's go back over to this other one here. Let's look under the bottom. This stem is straight right here. That is also a male. And then when you look at the inside, you can tell that this is the male anatomy right there. Looking at this, though, on the other hand, you can actually see this zucchini that grew from the stem. It was attached to the stem, and it also has a flower which is now pollinated. It's closed up. So this is a female. So let me take a look. So if I look, and it's kind of hard to see here. No, it's hard to see. Just pop that flower off, which is okay. This one right here, has a fruit just like this zucchini growing under the flower. And when they have them growing under the flower, those are all females. Let's take a look from this angle. So when you look at this angle over here, and I don't know if that's a good angle or not, this one right here is another zucchini growing under the flower. That's the female. Taking a look here, just a straight stem under the flower. That's the male. These are just here for pollination purposes in order for these nice fruit to flourish. Let's take a look at these two. Male or female? Take a look at the stem. This is a male. Let's take a look at this one. It's hard to see. I can't get in there. Right here, there's an actual zucchini under the flower. That's the female. The same holds true when you talk about cucumbers in this case. All right, so let's take a look at this cucumber right here. Oh, that flower head just popped off. So taking a look at this flower head right here. Is this male or is this female? We'll take a look at the little skinny stem. There's nothing attached to it. That will be a male. Now, looking at this one above, is this a male or female? Well, clearly it's a female, because if you see, here's the stem, there's a fruit underneath the flower head. That's the female. Only the females will bear the fruit.